In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Jira backlog to Excel. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that uses Jira's timeline view to get your backlog data out into a spreadsheet format you can open in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. This is especially useful if you want to do custom reporting, share data with stakeholders who don't use Jira, or perform bulk analysis. First, open your Jira project and go to your board's backlog view, your Kanban or Scrum backlog. Take a moment to confirm you're seeing the list of issues you actually want to export, like your user stories, tasks, or bugs. It's important to understand that in some Jira plans, especially the more basic tiers, you won't see a straightforward export button directly on the backlog screen. That's why we're going to use a different view inside the same project, which does offer an export option. From the backlog, look towards the top of the page for the navigation that lets you switch between views, such as board, backlog, timeline, or similar options, depending on your Jira configuration. Click on the highlighted option that opens the Additional Views menu. Once that menu is open, select the timeline view for your project. When the timeline view loads, Jira will show your issues arranged over time, often grouped by epochs or sprints. Even if you don't actively use the timeline for planning, it's still extremely handy here, because this is where the export tools are available. Give the page a second to load all the issues so that your export includes the most up-to-date information. Now in the timeline view, look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a toolbar with several icons or buttons. One of these will be highlighted or labeled to indicate more options. Click on that highlighted options control to reveal the export choices. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Export. Click on Export and Jira will show you different formats you can export to. To get something you can easily open in Excel, choose the Spreadsheet option, usually shown as Spreadsheet, CSV. Go ahead and click on that. Jira will then generate a CSV file containing your backlog data as it appears in the timeline view and download it to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the CSV file with Excel or any spreadsheet application you prefer. From there, you can save it as an Excel workbook, filter and sort your issues, create charts, or share the file with your team.